Have you ever taken a photo on your phone and somehow it magically appears on your laptop too? Or uploaded a file to Google Drive and it opened it later from the another device? How does that happen? What exactly is the cloud? Today I will explain cloud storage in the simplest way possible. Let's imagine all your photos are stored only on your phone. That's fine until your phone breaks or gets lost or runs out of storage. Then suddenly all your files are at risk. This is where cloud storage comes in. Most people imagine some magical cloud floating in the sky, but that's not what it is. Cloud storage simply means your files are stored on computers connected to the internet instead of only on your device. Now the question comes how it works. Let's say I take a photo. The photo starts on my phone. Then I upload it. It travels through the internet and gets stored in the cloud. Now, whenever I open Google Drive from another device, I can access the same photo. And the funniest thing is, you are probably already using cloud storage every day in the form of Google Drive, Google Photos, iCloud, Dropbox, and OneDrive. These are all cloud storage services. Let's talk about the benefits. Cloud storage has some huge benefits. Your files are backed up, you can access them from anywhere, you can share them easily. If your device breaks, your files are still safe. Now, here's the interesting part. The cloud isn't actually a cloud, it's just a collection of powerful computers, and those computers have a name. They are called servers. So, next time when someone says the files are stored in the cloud, what they really mean is my files are stored on servers connected to the internet, and that raises a new question what exactly is a server? That's what we will explore in the next video. If you learned something today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your Bloom Hub. See you in the next one.